Right, wee Milwaukee impactor. She's working. Wee dead spot on the switch. Switch just isn't working right. Right, might get away with cleaning the switch out. Bearings are okay. You see the dirt? That dirt eventually starts to migrate into the switch itself and blocks the wee potentiometer inside. So the wee linear potentiometer inside of here, a wee wiper, so that rubs across, giving you the variable speed. If the dust and dirt gets onto that potentiometer, you start getting a dead spot and interference in the speed from your trigger. Try and clean that out. This is a sealed switch. You can try and prise it open. Generally, they're glued back here, so you can end up damaging it if you try to open the thing. Can't replace it because it's a Milwaukee. They don't sell the switch separately. You have to buy the entire motor to replace that switch. The only option you have to play with is contact cleaner. Try to get it sprayed in down up at the bottom of the trigger. Try to get that inside. That'll hopefully clean out that contact. Then use a compressor to blow air across that to dry it all out again. So that is about as much as you can do. Most other brands you could just replace that switch, but not for Milwaukee. So if this doesn't work, it's not worth fixing. That's her. Not so bad. 2020. One Milwaukee impact gun. Wee stubby M12. Working as it should again. If you like the oil power tool related videos, hit that like and follow. Plenty more to come.